Hi and welcome to episode number 551 with whatsforchow.com. Today we're going to do something a little different. Cheesecake is an all-time favorite, but it's even better when it's quick and easy, light and creamy, and tastes like heaven. To start, break the crackers or t-biscuits into bits and place them in your food processor. Pulse the machine 3 or 4 times until you have an even mass of crumbs. Pour in the sugar and melted butter. Machine this for about 30 seconds, rocking the machine backwards and forwards. This helps to get a good even blend. You will end up with a crumbly mass of pastry. Cut a circle of baking parchment to fit the bottom of a 10-inch or 25cm springform pan. Lock the bottom of the pan into place and insert the parchment. Smear a thin layer of butter around the edge of the pan. Cut a long strip of parchment just slightly wider than the height of the pan. Place the strip around the inside of the pan. The butter will keep this in place. Depending on the size of your roll of parchment, you may have to cut 2 strips to cover the circumference. Pour 2/3 of the crumbed mixture into the pan and spread this evenly across the base. Smooth this off lightly with the back of your spoon. Try not to compress the base, it should be light and crumbly. Transfer the pan to your freezer for 30 minutes to set while you continue with the filling. In a bowl or large jug, combine the sour cream and the cream cheese. Mix it thoroughly, making sure you have a soft, homogeneous mixture. Add the softened butter to your stand mixer along with the sugar and the egg and the additional egg yolk. Attach the beater paddle and beat the mixture for 10 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Remove the bowl and pour in the cream cheese mixture. Fold the cream cheese mixture into the butter and egg. This should be done gently so as not to knock the air out of the creamy whipped butter. However, you do need to make sure it is quite well combined. Remove the springform pan from the freezer and pour the filling into the center of the pan. Spread it out evenly from the center outwards. Pour the remaining crumbs over the top of the filling and spread this evenly across the filling. Use the back of a spoon to smooth this off, taking care not to compress the crumb too much. Cover the cheesecake and transfer it to your refrigerator for 24 hours to set before cutting and serving. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this with your family and friends. And we'll see you again tomorrow.